In front of me is the S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and looking for a clipboard icon at the top. If you can't find it, select those three dots instead and look for it over here. Then click on it. Now to enable clipboard, use this switcher at the top right corner. Then to use it, you need to copy or cut any text and paste it right away by clicking on it at the top, or clicking on clipboard and clicking on it over here. To pin your text, use this pen at the top right corner. Tap on the one that you wish to pin and use pin icon also at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete one of your saved sentences, click on the same pen. Pick one of them that you wish to delete, or a couple of them, and tap on this pin at the top. Lastly, to disable clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!